everybody. So we pulling up here back at the swamp. We're gonna work on the old 86 again. Got a few little things for. Right, so we got spark plugs, some oil, some brake cleaner, liquid wrench because I needed some. And I got two things of carb cleaner. I got an oil filter in the house already, plus a fuel filter. And I need to get some gasket still for the carburetor, but we're probably just gonna do the oil and the plugs today because it's already after 4 o'clock, so it'll be dark probably in about 45 minutes or so. All right, so got our plugs here, auto light, that's usually what I run. I used to run AC Delco, but started having problems with them years ago. I swapped over to these, and these have done me pretty good ever since. Spark plug, gap tool here. Took me 10 minutes just to find that little sucker. But yeah, we're gonna change these plugs out. I got my oil and all right there. Got him a good old Wix oil filter. But we're gonna change these plugs, and then I'm gonna pull it over there so I can put it up on some ramps to get under it, because as low as she is, it's gonna be a little bit of a challenge to crawl up under there. So we need to get it up on the ramps if possible. I'm gonna gap all these plugs, and then we'll start swapping them out, and then I'll check each plug wire as we change the plugs, make sure there ain't none of them burnt up or anything. Might have one or two. I'll probably gap these to 45 thousandths. That one's already at 40. I'll see what they all at. A lot of times they're preset. That one's at 40. If they're all at 40, then I'll probably just leave them right there. Alright, so it looks like most of these plugs are all around 42 thousandths. So I'll probably leave them all right there. That'll be good enough. I'll swap them out. Some people tighten these dang plugs too dang much. They don't have to be real tight. All they need is to be snugged up. Make this a little bit easier, I'm just going to go ahead and pull all these off on this side. Know where the wires go. Check over them all. All these on this side seem to be okay. I don't see any burn marks. Alright, where's the hole? Let's see a good little snug. This is number 8. 4. The last one left to go to number 6. Alright, got this side all on. None of the plug wires are burnt up. All of them are tight. There's all the old ones. One right there. Now we just need to do this side, and then we'll pull over there and change the oil. Put you up there until we get done so we don't lose you. And these here's got these boots on them, so they shouldn't be burnt up. If I could just get the end of it to come through. Look at that. The one with the boot on it, it's pretty much screwed. That's number 1. So that's one we got to swap out. Oh, there's another one. right there. I don't know if you can see it or not. Another one looks good. Oh, we got a header bolt that's out right there too. It's screwed right in, so it must have just loosened up over time. Somebody didn't tighten it. Oh, there's another one missing right there. So we'll have to get some header bolts too. I think I got a couple laying around. Alright, one more to go in. Now if I can get this one in without dropping it on the ground, that'll be a new record. 8 spark plugs installed without dropping one. Alright, got all this side swapped out, but like I said, we got, where'd it go? Well, okay, here it is. Got one plug wire that's screwed up, and this other one here, got a spot took out of her too, and it might be a little bit burnt, so I'm gonna go find a couple plug wires just to throw on it for now, and then I'll probably end up getting a new set for it. Found a few old plug wires here, but there ain't none of them cut up or anything like that, so they should work for now until we can get a new set. One. Man, that's the only thing about these dang super coil distributor caps. They're kind of a pain to get the plug wires on them sometimes. Alright, so we got all our plugs in there. Put a couple used wires on it. I didn't put the boots back on them since I'm gonna get a new set of wires anyhow. These are gonna get burned up. Need a straight plug boot for here, and this one probably, because of the way they're going to get shit burned up again. But all I need to do is crank up and then drive right over there so I can get it up on the ramps to change the oil. So I guess let's see if old girl will fire up. Don't want to focus, but according to this thing, it's about 50 degrees, or at least the water temp is. Holding a little water. He's up on the ramps. I guess it's about stock height now, so maybe I can crawl my ass up under there. All right, we got our shop floor down. I'm gonna try to hurry up and get this done because it's getting dark mighty quickly. Yeah, it's a tight fit under here with it even on the ramps. Oil is warm, so it should come out fairly easy. Burn my hands at the same time, so that'll be nice. It'll be even nicer if I burn my. Oh hell! Damn, phone's about dead, so the light went off. My headers are a little bit hot, only several hundred degrees. Yeah, oil was a little bit warm. Ah, yeah. I didn't want it all over me. Always put a little bit of oil in the filter and then put a little bit on this little gasket here. Kind of helps them not to stick whenever you tighten them up and then go to take them off. Next time it won't be stuck to the block. Wasn't no metal or nothing on the end of the drain plug. That's good. All drained out, oil filter put back on there. Only thing left to do now, fill her up with oil. And then of course, everything else we got to do. Alright, well, let me get situated here so I don't spill this crap everywhere. That oil there looks a little bit nicer than that old dollar store oil I put in here to begin with. It's about 3 times the price too, so it ought to look a bit cleaner. Alright, guess I'll fire it up, back it off the ramps, let it run for a minute, we'll shut it off and check the oil. Get the shop floor out of the way, I don't want to run it over. See how she fires back up. Not too bad. Alright, we'll let her set for a minute and then we'll check the oil. She's been sitting for about 15 minutes, so let's see what we got. It's hard to see. Brand new oil on there. It's right at full though. It could probably use almost a half a quart. So I'll worry about that tomorrow. As you can see, it's pretty much dark now. But at least we got the plugs in and the oil changed. I guess next time I'll get them base gaskets for a carburetor so I can clean it out and be able to put it back together. No, I need to get some plug wires and I need to set the timing on it too. I think I got it advanced just a little bit more than it needs to be, but I got a brand new timing light I might try out on this rig. But we're going to end this one off here and I'll see y'all in the next one later.